In programming, particularly with functions, parameters and arguments are related but distinct concepts. Parameters are the named variables listed inside the parentheses in a function's definition. They act as placeholders, indicating the type and number of values the function expects to receive.
Think of them as empty slots waiting for data. Arguments are the actual values passed to the function when it's called. These are the concrete pieces of data that fill those parameter slots. Let's illustrate in Python. Python. Def greet. Name. #name is a parameter here print. Hello. Name. Greet. Alice. #Alice is the argument passed to the greet function. Here, name is the parameter defined within greet. When we call greet Alice, the string Alice is the argument that gets assigned to the name parameter for that specific function call. So, parameters define what's expected. Arguments are what's supplied.
The process_order function defines item_name and quantity as its parameters. These are symbolic names, placeholders, that the function uses internally to refer to the data it expects to receive. When the function is defined, it doesn't know the actual values it will work with, only the types of data it will need to perform its operations.
Before the first function call, product and amount are created as variables holding specific values. Coffee mug and 3. In the line order 1_cost equals process_order. Product. Amount. Product and amount are the arguments. They are the actual values, or variables referring to values, that are passed to the function when it is invoked, providing the concrete data that the parameters item_name and quantity will then refer to inside the function's execution scope. The subsequent call, process_order. T-shirt. 2. Further illustrates arguments. In this case, the literal string T-shirt and the integer 2 are directly provided as arguments. These literal values are immediately assigned to the corresponding parameters, item_name and quantity within the function's scope for that specific execution, showcasing that arguments can be variables, literals, or expressions that evaluate to a value.